Good afternoon, my name is Mike Oren, and this is my Week 3 Go-To Training Reflections video for VFW 1404. Uh, Basically, last night we went over how to add images and image views to Titanium. Basically, just going here, we have the window set up, the layout, vertical, um, and we learned how to have an image folder inside a resources folder, how to call that using the get file function in Titanium, and calling the file system, going into the resources and looking for the directory for the resources folder, and then the folder in question would be the imgs folder, which contains all of our images. Then getting the listing for that image folder, and then essentially looping through those images to create to actually put those images in the view for your application. So my two files, buddies and family, and when you loop through those, you get this. Here's my two photos with the 5-pixel spacing in between. I tried adding a top to this for these two photos particularly, just so I wouldn't overlap the notification bar, and it wouldn't fit. I essentially only got the one photo, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that. We also went through debugging some of the common errors, some of the, as it was put, cryptic errors, such as not telling you anything that is wrong with it, just giving you an error on the last line of your code, which usually contains nothing. Usually because you used a wrong form of bracket. You didn't use, if you're trying to call something in an array, you used a curly brace or parentheses instead of the square brackets, or you didn't use a square bracket or a curly brace to end a function, like right here. If you got rid of that and you try to run it, you would get the error. Another thing we went over was the cleaning up our image cache. If I changed one of these, if I renamed this to friends instead of buddies and loaded it again, I would console out 3 images. One would be friends, one would be buddies, the third would be family. Doesn't present a major issue on the user end. It would just be a pain for us on the developer end. We learned that if we just delete the applications using the emulator and then clean up the project using the clean command, it would give us the proper array, what's actually contained and not all the images that are actually cached. So that was basically what we went over on the go-to training. I will see all of you guys after spring break. Enjoy. Mike Oren signing out.